Story time. Pip and the Missing Moonbeam. Pip the rabbit loved the moon. Every night, she would sit on her favorite hill and watch it glow softly in the sky. She especially loved moonbeams, those silvery rays that made the world look peaceful and magical. But one evening, something was wrong. The moon was shining, but there were no moonbeams. Where did they go? Pip wondered. Her ears twitching with concern. Determined to find out, Pip decided to follow the shadows, hoping they would lead her to the missing light. She hopped through the meadow, past the quiet river, and into the whispering woods. There, she found Finn the fox, who was blinking sleepily. "Finn, have you seen the moonbeams?" Pip asked. Finn yawned. "No, but the forest seems darker tonight. Maybe you should check the lake, it always reflects the moon." Pip nodded and hurried to the lake. When she arrived, she gasped. The moonbeams were trapped. A thick layer of mist covered the water, keeping the light from bouncing across the surface. The moon's glow was stuck, unable to spread its magic across the forest. Pip thought hard. How do I set the moonbeams free? Then Pip had an idea. She took a deep breath and hopped into the water. Splash! The ripples spread across the lake, pushing the mist aside. As the water cleared, the moon's glow finally broke free, spilling silver light across the trees and fields. Pip climbed onto the shore. Shaking off the water, the moonbeams had returned. The forest glowed softly once more, and the night felt warm and peaceful again. Finn arrived, looking amazed. "Pip, you did it!" Pip smiled, watching the moonlight dance on the grass. "I just gave it a little nudge." That night, as Pip lay under the stars, she knew one thing for sure: sometimes, even the smallest actions can bring back the light.